What are the key differences between L2, L2 plus and layer 3 switch? Let's see these. First of all, layer 2 switches, they do not support the advanced routing like BGP, border gateway protocol and so on. Layer 2 plus switches also do not support, but layer 3 switches, yes, they do support. Then common routing protocols like RIP, RIP1, RIP2, OSPF and these kind of protocols, layer 2 switches and layer 2 plus switches, they do not support. Layer 3 switches, yes, they support. Routing table, layer 2 switches do not have. We are talking about pure layer 2 switches. Layer 2 plus switches, they have small routing table, while layer 3 switches, they have a proper large routing table, so they can import multiple routes into their routing table. Then static routing is not supported on layer 2, but it is supported on L2 plus and L3. When we talk about the position, that where are these switches placed or where they should be placed. So layer 2 switches, they are placed on access layer, L2 plus are placed on aggregation layer, and L3 switches are placed usually on the core where there is high requirement of large routing table of advanced routing like BGP, OSPF, RIP. Then a typical series of layer 2 plus, if we want to see some examples, so in Rugia we have NBS 3100 series, for L2 plus we have Rugia's S2910 series, and for L3 we have enterprise grade S6120. So L2 plus can be positioned in aggregation of large and medium campus networks, while core networks of small campus networks as well. So these are some of the differences between L2, L2 plus and L3 switches. Whenever client asks us, we can suggest them based on these criteria.